Abstract. Our group primary goal in completing this project is to apply the fundamental of accounting covered in HFT 10203 through case study 1, which was graded by our instruction. The name of the lecturer for this topic is Puan Nomazatu Akmal Binti Saidi. We have 5 students in our group, each from different culture, ethnicity, background and academic field. Even when face-to-face, we nevertheless work hard to finish the assignment. Our group leader talked about how to divide up each person's job to make the process of doing them simple. Initially, this project teaches us about the fundamental of accounting that any corporation or business needs. A group leader has a responsibility in this scenario to issue a directive, and each member of the group complete their tasks in accordance with their individual role. First, the facts from case study 1. The second goal is to recognize and comprehend the business transaction that took place. The final goal is to direct and assess the company in developing skill and a methodical plan that is appropriate for each commercial transaction. Next, introduction. Accounting is component of every firm and is in both daily life and business. Making decision, planning and regulating process are all aided by accounting. For instance, while choosing whether to buy or rent a property, we will use accounting type information. Accounting must therefore be necessary for business because it will give information on how the company in operation. An executive in a commercial organization cannot make the best choice without accounting. Accounting also provides manager with information about the company finance position, including loss and profit, cost and profit, liability and asset. Since management is aware of the right course of action and ideal plan for commercial transaction, this will result in increased productivity.
The total for both sides, which is debit and credit side, has an equal total, which is 814,000 ringgit. Next, we move to the ledger account. And the last account is trial balance. The total for both debit and credit is 644,600 ringgit for each of them.
Hi, I would like to present the statement of profit and loss account. In this account, the total sale is 139,000. To get the net loss of net profit, we would use the gross profit which cost 139,000 to minus the total of expenses which cost 27,500. In the end, we will get the net profit which cost 111,500. Next, I would like to present the statement of the balance sheet. First, the total of fixed assets is 120,000. The total of current assets is 496,600. The total of current liability is 5,600. To get the working capital, we would use the current assets minus the current liability, and we will get 491,000. The total is 611,000, which we use the total of fixed assets to add the working capital. Next, The owner equity financed by the capital which cost 500,000 and at the net profit which cost 111,500 and minus the drawing which cost 500. The total of owner equity is 611,000.
The usefulness of the statement of profit and loss. A profit and loss statement or income statement or statement of operation is a financial report that provides a summary of a company's revenues, expenses and profits or losses over a given period of time. The profit and loss statement shows a company's ability to generate sales, manage expenses and create profits. It is prepared based on accounting principles that include revenue recognition, matching, and accruals, which makes it different from the cash flow statement. The statement categories that can be found on the profit and loss include: first, revenue or sales, cost of goods sold or cost of sales, selling, general and administrative expenses, marketing and advertising, technology or research and development, interest expense, taxes, and net income. The usefulness of balance sheet statement. The term balance sheet refers to a financial statement that reports a company's assets, liabilities, and shareholder equity at specific point in time. Balance sheets provide the basis for computing rates of return for investors and evaluating a company's capital structure. The balance sheet is based on the fundamental equation: assets equal liabilities plus equity. The uses of balance sheet: first, to determine if working capital is enough. 2. To know the business net worth. 3. To see if the company can sustain future operation. 4. To identify if there's possible issuance of dividend.
In conclusion, preparing an account is a vital process in the business. It provides essential information to view overall business performance. Keeping accounting record clean and up to date is very important, making sure business relevant in today's business environment, but that is much complex and dynamic. The accounting process is started by recording the business transaction that are taken from a few resource documents. Accounting is an important component of everyday life as well as business. Accounting helps in making decisions, planning, and executing everything that involves the movement of money. In large companies, accounting plays an important role in managing the company's financial future. If there is a mistake in the management of this account, it will cause a problem for the company. Proper account can show about loss, profit, cost, liabilities, and asset. That is all show that one company is balanced in doing business or generating the economy. This report also shows the account have been opened by the category to study balance and also lots flow of money. The data from the general account is changed to the ledger account. In the ledger account, there are several accounts named cash account, computer equipment account, capital account, rent account, salary and wage account, drawing account, utility expense account, equipment account, account payable, account of service provided, and account payable. The data from each of these accounts will be included in the trial balance. To make an estimate in this trial balance, we can see that total amount of expense is as much 744,600. From this account, we can also know about the profit and loss piece. Every profit and loss is recorded in the trading and profit and loss account. Finally, all this will be included in the balance sheet to close all the account balance. Proper account give more benefit to the business as it helps in evaluating the performance of business, help business to be statutory compliant, build business goal setting, and helps to manage and monitoring cash flow. To manage a business smoothly in daily business activities, accounting is a must as it can help in these crucial goals of the business. So all kinds of data privacy will be recorded and stored neatly and secure. This makes it easy to refer when there is a problem in the future. In my opinion, the accounting system needs to be upgraded according to the progress of the world today. Many problems arise regarding the account because there is a lot of data overload, and data is also hacked by irresponsible practice. All of this will be give benefit in short term and long term. Last but not least, accounting needs to have easy access to review all the data have been saved.